How to get a six-pack 30-day challenge. You've been lied to. All those 10-minute abs workouts and get ripped fast videos, they sell you the dream. But they hide the truth. You can't get a six-pack from crunches alone. You can't out-train bad habits. And if you think doing sit-ups every morning will magically reveal abs, that's exactly why you still don't have them. The truth is simple. Your abs are already there. They're just covered by fat, stress, and inconsistency. So here's the deal. Give me 30 days, and I'll show you how to reveal your abs permanently. No fluff, no fake transformations, just science, consistency, and discipline. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact daily formula that burns fat and sculpts abs, even at home, the most common mistake that kills your progress, and a 7-day starter plan that sets you up to dominate this 30-day challenge. So if you're tired of watching others transform while you stay stuck, listen closely, because this next few minutes could change everything. Step 1. Lock in your mindset. First step isn't physical, it's mental. Before your abs show up in the mirror, they have to show up in your habits. If you're starting this 30-day challenge, make one rule. No excuses, no shortcuts, no "I'll start tomorrow." You're not doing this for likes or validation. You're doing this to prove to yourself that you can commit. Here's a fact. Every body type can get visible abs. The difference is discipline. Your body doesn't care about your excuses. It only responds to what you repeatedly do. So today, commit to 30 days. Fully. Not kind of. Not most days, because half effort gives you half results. Step 2. Clean up your diet. Abs aren't made in the gym. They're revealed in the kitchen. You don't need to starve yourself. You need to eat right. For the next 30 days, follow this simple formula. Eat protein with every meal. Eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, tofu, whatever fits your plan. Protein helps burn fat and repair muscle. Cut out all liquid calories. No soda, juice, energy drinks, or fancy coffee. Just water, black coffee, or green tea. Focus on clean carbs, oats, brown rice, quinoa, potatoes. Avoid processed junk. Load up on vegetables. They fill you up, fuel your workouts, and keep your calories low. If you want to supercharge fat loss, try intermittent fasting. 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating. It keeps your insulin low and your fat burning high. Remember, this isn't a diet, it's fuel. Every bite should serve your goal. Step 3, train smarter, not longer. Forget spending hours doing crunches. Abs are built with intensity, not duration. Here's your daily 25-minute six-pack workout. No equipment needed. 1. Plank, 1 minute. 2. Leg raises, 15 reps. 3. Bicycle crunch, 20 per side. 4. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. 5. Rest, 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. Then add a 10-minute fat burner circuit. Jump squats, 20 seconds. Burpees, 20 seconds. Rest, 10 seconds. Repeat 10 minutes straight. That's it. Short, brutal, and effective. If it feels easy, you're not doing it right. You're supposed to struggle. That's where your abs are hiding. In the pain you avoid. Step 4, sleep and recovery. This is the most underrated step, but it's the secret weapon. Your abs don't grow while you're training, they grow while you're resting. When you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, the key to muscle repair and fat loss. So make sleep non-negotiable. 7 to 8 hours a night. No screens an hour before bed. No caffeine after 2 p.m. You want shredded abs? Earn them in your sleep. Step 5. Track everything. What gets measured gets improved. Most people quit because they don't see progress. But progress is subtle. It's in the details. Here's how to track your transformation. Take a photo every 3 days, same lighting, same pose. Measure your waist instead of your weight. Write down how your energy, mood, and strength feel each day. Even when the mirror doesn't show it, your body is adapting. Fat burns, muscle tightens, posture improves. Trust the process and document it. What gets measured gets improved. Here are some common ignorant mistakes. Now let's talk about why most people fail. Mistake 1. They focus on abs first, not fat loss. You can have the strongest abs in the world, but if they're hidden under fat, no one, including you, will ever see them. Mistake 2. They underestimate consistency. You can't eat clean for 3 days, then binge on the weekend. That kills progress. Mistake 3. They confuse soreness with success. Pain doesn't equal progress. Proper recovery and clean nutrition do. Mistake 4. They give up too early. The human body takes about 3 weeks to start showing visible change. Most people quit in 2. So, don't. Here is a 7-day effective action plan to follow. Day 1. The reset. Clear your kitchen of junk. Take your before photo. Complete 1 round of the AB plus fat burner circuit. Day 2. Fuel and focus. Start your clean eating. 3 liters of water, 2 rounds of the workout. Day 3. Build momentum. Add a cold shower for recovery and mental toughness. Write down how you feel. Day 4. Active recovery. 30-minute walk or light jog. Stretch for 10 minutes before bed. Day 5. Push the limits. 4 full rounds of your workout. Focus on form. No sloppy reps. Day 6. Stay sharp. The excitement fades here. Stay consistent. Remind yourself why you started. Day 7. Reflection. Take another photo. Compare it to day 1. Look for tighter skin, better posture, and more energy. You're not done. You're just getting started. Repeat this pattern for 30 days. The mirror will thank you. So here's your challenge. Don't scroll to the next video. Don't save this for later. Start today. Comment "I am in" down below, and I'll reply with a printable version of the 30-day 6-pack plan. Then subscribe, because next week I'm dropping the follow-up. 6-pack meal plan. What to eat to stay shredded. This is your wake-up call. You don't need more time. You need more commitment. 30 days, 1 body, no excuses. Remember, discipline is the difference between wishing and having. Subscribe for weekly challenges.